Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bome. All right, wanted to give you a quick update. Was very bullish already yesterday when you compare to other cryptos, and then today, obviously, it absolutely rocketed, or at least it rocketed. I mean, it went up quite a bit. I mean, if it went up 19%, that's a lot. All right, and if you look at it relative to other cryptos, you can see earlier this morning it really started to rally. And it's by far the best performer since 3 a.m. When other cryptos were quite bullish as well. So that means something, but no, wanted to do a full update here. I know I still have a significant community of Bome holders and traders around the channel. So I wanted to give you my thoughts. But before we start, I do want to kind of stress that Bome is a difficult coin to trade. All right, you can also see, if you look at this move we got earlier this morning, I am assuming this, but I do think we'll find proof for it here. But historically, Bome is quite manipulated. All right, so what you see this morning is that the open interest is absolutely rocketing. We gain a ton of open interest in a very short period of time. Usually what that means is that it's a small group of whales, of traders, whatever, who buy a lot of Bome in a very short period of time. And what they will do now, I mean, the thing is that they kind of decide, all right, because they hold a lot of these positions. Basically, in general, if you just want to know the idea of what happens now with Bome, is we either see a continuation, a strong continuation, right? So some sort of a pullback, and then a continuation into the, well, I would say 1.2, 1.25 cents. That's the next major price target. Or we just see a major sell-off. They have a lot of positions. Bome is usually a coin that's traded a lot by retail, who sees this and becomes very bullish. So what they'll do is they'll slowly sell off their positions into retail, profiting on them. And then after that, retail holds the positions and nobody is pumping up the price anymore. And that's just very bad for the price. So now we have to kind of try to identify what it will be. Right? Will this be a continued rally, which is a real possibility because the markets are quite strong. Meme coins are not necessarily that strong, so that's interesting, even though you have outperformers like Bome, Turbo, Mog. But then Solana, obviously, which Bome is built on, is very bullish. Still, like this, today Solana was already very bullish, but today Solana even outperformed Bitcoin again. So the fundamentals are there, all right? We are in relatively bullish market circumstances. Bome has some mean reversion to do, I would say, if you compare it to both the markets but also meme coins. So that's something positive. And then purely technically, like even though it's probably manipulated, this is bullish, all right? We're getting bullish breakouts here, and we're starting to form a bullish market structure. But all right, got some major short liquidations up here. We're getting some top signals here. So I do expect a pullback from the levels we are at. So that's 0.0105. For me, the most interesting level is this level right here between 0.94 and 0.98 cents. And then especially 0.94 cents. I think that's the level you need to watch the most. Like I said, for the reasons I've given earlier, the top signals we get, but also the short liquidations and the market. I think it's to be expected we get a pullback, and then the reaction to that level will determine, I think at least, whether we will rally up again and higher or whether this was it. Right? And basically what we need to do is once we hit that level, we need to gain momentum again. We need to see the open interest increase again. If that's the case, we'll break above 1.05 and we'll start to rally up higher. If not, what this will turn into is probably something like this, all right? So that we do hold the significant level for some time, but then afterwards we'll see some sort of a sell-off, which we have seen quite often in the past. And we can see momentum like this as well. So just be careful. But those are my thoughts, all right? I think this is most likely due to market circumstances, but it does depend on how we react to that level. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.